Zebra mussels are a small mollusk that came from the seas around Russia and the Ukraine.
And they arrived in North America via ballast water from ocean-going vessels. Once they dispersed through the Great Lakes, then every industry that was drawing water for whatever purpose was susceptible to colonization.
Any hard surface they'll attach to, and then they will multiply very rapidly.
They're a threat to anybody who intakes water from any continental North American water body. They get in their systems and clog their systems once they start to settle and grow and reproduce.
Guaranteed you will get infested if you're drawing water in from the Great Lakes.
ASI came in right on the ground floor in the late 80s.
We looked at ways that they would impact our clients, and then we tried to have systems that would mitigate these impacts for them.
90% of control is chlorinating of water.
A chlorination can last about 10 to 14 days in optimal temperatures.
You can't physically clean them out because you don't have access to these pipes. So we would initiate a control program that would slowly kill them and clean them out.
ASI has developed a method of assessing in-pipe mortality without actually opening the pipes.
We use the same flow-through chamber, which is the bio box. And what we do is we put 100 live adult zebra mussels and we check them on a daily basis. So we check these zebra mussels for mortality to see if they're dead.
When all the test mussels in that bio box are dead, then we know that they all are inside the pipes as well. It's completely turnkey, so we're providing the chemical, the environmental permitting, the chemical injection systems, the tanks, everything. Quagga mussels, they are a different species than zebra mussels biologically.
But as far as, a mussel control program, a zebra mussel and a quagga mussel are no different.
We do a lot of work with Ontario Power Generation. We have a long-term partnership with Bruce Power. We have treated Imperial Oil for 25 years now.
We are the specialist in zebra mussels. We have companies out there that are trying to sell chemical and basically allow you to do the work. But our expertise is in the 25 to 30 years of doing zebra mussel chlorination and also monitoring.
We've been doing it for 30 years now, and that's all we do. When we go on your site, the only reason we are there is to operate the temporary chlorination system that we're installing. So we're experts in its operation and its maintenance, and we know the exact protocols to follow to get the most effective results in the shortest amount of time.